Popeyes.
Never had it in my entire life.
Never have had Popeyes.
And they talked about this sandwich like it was the rage before the pandemic, or even before then, or before that pandemic, or whatever.
Popeyes.
What is in there?
Just like Chick-fil-A, but minus all the bigotry and hatred.
Oh. This
What's
looks really good.
We got a signature side of French fries. And we got the chicken sandwich. Nicely seasoned. They're thinner than they looked in the photo.
That's so delicious. I got problems. When I said I don't like fast food, I fucking love it. Love it.
Compulsive liar. If you wanna be with me.
That's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
We might be fighting for that. Frozen lemonade. I like frozen lemonade.
Mmm. The pickles.
Right?
I've never had Popeyes. Which straw are you using?
So you use that one.
Okay.
A pickle makes it.
Their frozen lemonade, great.
Napkin?
Uh-huh.
Wow, hitting a home run today.
And we got ketchup. So we got the classic chicken sandwich, upgraded to frozen lemonade, out of the signature sides. I thought he asked me what signature size I would want, and I was like, small, I don't know. I picked the French fries.
Did you forget to order yours?
My sandwich, you're taking that? So we've never had Popeyes. We weren't sure if it was going to be gross, and we were scared, so we just ordered one sandwich.
That's really fucking good.
It's really good.
Really good. Who's behind us? Is that guy behind us now?
Yeah, there's
What's he doing?
a crazy couple behind us cleaning out their car. There's a hawk circling. Really? We are at McCarran's Lake off of Ray Street
One of
in
10,000.
beautiful St. Paul.
One of 10,000.
10,000, which actually means
11.
more than 11,000. McCarran's Lake.
This is delicious.
I recommend Popeyes. Oh, it was $10.50, $10.50 for this rigmarole.
You can talk all you want.
Because we got the frozen lemonade, which is $2.50.
Dude, get that pickle in your mouth.
Uh-huh. That's what she said. Popeyes, go get a sandwich. Totally worth it.
I mean, really, if someone's using a porta potty, you gotta be afraid to go in there.
Someone's
Look
trying
at
to
it.
use a Someone's already in the porta potty
Oh, that's frightening.
because of the poop.
If you have an emergency poop situation in your life, it's hard to get to a
Toilet
toilet lately. This might be the year you mess your pants.
Why does how many of these degrade into talking about poop, the bathroom? Oh, you come down to the basics. It's food, poop, sleep. That's it.
Oh, you do nowadays.
Popeyes, thumbs up.
Who knew?
Go!
Took me all these years to get there.
I like the ad that has
The fries are delicious too.
I think the lady that owns it.
The lady? There's a lady that owns it?
Well,
Popeyes?
I mean, I'm kind of a commercial believer, and there's a lady that talks like she owns it, and she's like, welcome to Popeyes. We have great chicken.
Really?
We don't hate y'all
See,
like
I never
Chick-fil-A.
watch commercials. Ever. They subconsciously mark me in my brain. You know every one of them.
Guess what song is in my head?
Crazy.
If you
Crazy
wanna be
bird.
with me, I'm a genie in the bottle. Was that just on the radio? Why is that even in my head?
Who sings that?
Genie in a bottle.
That's embarrassing, dude. What's that thing?
I want to share.
What? I'm serious. You have to let me share. What is that? Dude, what was that? Oh, he had to use the porta potty.
Oh, gross. Oh.
I mean, really delicious. Like, we're gonna go right back and get another one.
We're gonna go home because I gotta finish tiling the floor.
Why don't you be the truthful one and tell the truth what you gotta go do?
Also, I gotta go to the bathroom. I don't want to use a porta potty. I'm trying to wrap this up. Go to Popeyes. Okay, bye guys.